What's going on, skiers and riders? My name's Cassie here with your Sunday, November 17th Wachusett Mountain Snow Report with Michaela Gusky, one of our newest additions to the team. What you thinking, Mick?
Well, you know, it's opening day out here. The conditions are beautiful. The sun is shining. All the people are out and about, getting their gear on, enjoying the weather. I'd say everybody should come on down for this beautiful day.
It's the day that you snow lovers out there have all been waiting for, opening day. With the help from Mother Nature and our crew, we're able to open Lower and Upper Conifer, Ralph's Run, Indian Summer, and Ollie's area to get the beginners started in learning. With warm temps in the high 40s, sunshine, and base depths up to 24 inches, it's perfect first day conditions that you don't want to miss. So grab your gear and get the season started today.
Also, you guys can join us after the Thanksgiving break for some Black Friday deals on skiing and riding. You can save on junior lease packages, cow cards, tune-ups, clothing, and more in store only Friday, November 23rd through Sunday, November 25th.
And that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in.
I hope you guys are as stoked as we are for this great season. See you out there.